Severe weather watch was just issued.
At 32 p.m. Central Standard Time. You're listening.
Oh, that's a warning. We had a watch issued too.
Fulton County, Stark County, Knox County, North Central Cass County, Schuyler County, Northwestern Mason County, Western Peoria County, until 11 p.m. At 10:31 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Rock Island to near Strongers to near Palmyra, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Galesburg, Kenton, Rushville, Lewistown, Abingdon, Knoxville, Farmington, Elmwood, Princeville, Wyoming, Cuba, Toulon, Hannah City, Astoria, Trevoli, Osceola, Brimfield, Watauga, Avon, and Bradford. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 34 and 82.
Doubleheader. WR300 got activated this time.
Has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 68, effective until 5 a.m. Tuesday. This watch includes the following county: McLean, Illinois. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.